think we'll be alright.
Yeah, go on. Go for it.
Yeah, a bit tight, but take your time.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you what a little gem that was.
Yeah, it's lovely that, wasn't it? Yeah, I really enjoyed that.
I don't think I've ever been at this side of this lake, water, whatever they call it.
Looks familiar.
What's it called again? Esthwaite.
Esthwaite. Yeah.
Esthwaite.
Esthwaite.
And is it Esthwaite water or just Esthwaite?
I think it's just called Esthwaite. Yeah.
Right. Because the fell's directly in front, beautiful with the sun on.
Beautiful, isn't it now?
11 degrees I'm showing. I don't think so.
I don't think so either. Nowhere near. And there's a big hoo-ha about that 20 in Wales. They've had 20 mile an hour up here for years through villages.
Oh, no entry. I was just going to say let's go up there, but no entry.
No, you can't. No, it's one way. It's one way in Hawkeshead.
Right. So we're left here, aren't we?
Yeah.
I do like Hawkeshead.
It's a nice sleepy little place. We used to come up here and do bed and breakfast quite often, and we used to just spend weekends having, like a few of us, just staying in B&Bs and just having a drink and just having a piss about, really.
Should we go up over Hawkeshead Fell or just go straight to Chester's from here? I think he's going to be at least another good half hour.
Yeah, I think he is. It's not going to take us half hour to do that, is it?
To go over Fell?
Yeah.
No. No, we'll go up over Hawkeshead Fell and then...
Yeah, and then we can go over there and... then we can just carry on with the ride once we meet up with him, can't we?
Yeah. Look at that.
Beautiful lad, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous round here.
I do like it at this time of year. You know which smell? When you're coming through the trees like this.
Yeah, you can like a damp sort of.
It's like Christmassy smell, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, look at Coniston from here.
Just wherever you go in this place, isn't it? Wherever you go, it's always nice.
Careful with them dogs there.
Yeah, slow down.
This is that tight bend, isn't it? Erpin?
Oh, tightish.
Yeah, it was crap surface as well, isn't it? That's the thing.
Yeah, always on corners, aren't they? You notice that?
And this is that turning here, isn't it? That takes you up to Tan House.
Yeah.
Or is that where we came out that time? Or I can't remember if that's the way you go in.
To Tan House. Tan House or Tan... Yeah, that one, it's really bad, that one.
Yeah, that's the way you come out because it's one way, isn't it?
We've done that a few times. Bloody horrible junction, that.
Yeah.
Especially if you need to turn left.
Yeah, which we did the first time, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
Right in front, beautiful. You know, I know I say it all the time when we come up here, never get bored of them kind of views.
No, never. Never.
Look at that in front.
These mountains here.
Loving it.
So is that going to be your Christmas present to yourself, or?
What, a new helmet?
Yeah.
I would like to think so.
Yeah.
But I don't think I can say I've got that. Oh, turn right here, don't we?
Yes.
I'll be honest, if I've got that kind of, well, it's not disposable, but if I was going to spend that kind of money, I was to spend it on the good lady.
And it's on what?
Yeah, exactly. What to
Really?
spend.
How do you want to do that?
Love this bit from Coniston over this way towards.
It's a nice road, this, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, out towards Skelwith Bridge. It's
Yeah.
got the fell, the cliffside here, not right. And there's a couple of bends up here that I don't know why, always catch a pothole there at middle of the road. A couple of bends up here always catch me out.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know why. It's when we start climbing a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if it's not this bit.
No, it's further up, isn't it?
Yeah.
It gets steeper.
Look at this bit, love it. Esthwaite. Up there.
There, actually. Oh, I might have done. I think,
That's that Hodge Close. Do you remember going up there?
I do, yes. Yeah, I do remember that, yeah. Dodge Close, yeah.
That was good. That was a good day. Is that DAV walking up the through the field there on the right?
DAV, yeah.
Look at that little lake here.
Hey, do you remember Alexander, talk about Dominic, do you remember Alexander O'Neill?
Oh yeah, the singer.
Yeah, he ended up engineering for him last week.
Brilliant.
Sent me a picture, he said, do you recognise this fella? And I looked at it and I said, yeah, I knew who that is. I didn't think you were into him. Have you not bought tickets to go and see him, have you? He said, no. He said, I'm his engineer for the night. Yeah, it's definitely not a local, is it?
No.
20 miles an hour, are you taking the piss? But, I suppose he's taking the view in, I suppose.
That's the thing you've got to realise up here, innit?
Yeah, a lot of people are taking the view and they've come out for a nice afternoon's ride, haven't they, I suppose?
Yeah.
Skelwith Bridge and Skelwith Waterfalls.
Yes, yeah.
Waterfalls at the top, yeah.
Here we are, Skelwith Bridge. Trip out there between the C4 and the Octavia. Or shall we go up to the coffee shop?
Well, there's normally no parking, is there, at a coffee shop?
Yeah. Yeah, we're back into here.